Hi there, I'm Miss Cathy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be baking these mini cheesecakes. They're a great little dessert for the holidays, and everyone in the family can help to make them. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need to make this delicious dessert. Don't forget the recipe. Remember, boys and girls, only use the oven when an adult is helping you. Let's get our muffin tins ready. This is a great step for all the kids to help out with. You'll want to put a muffin cup in each spot. Then, place one vanilla wafer in the bottom. Next up, mixing the rest of our ingredients in a bowl. This is a great opportunity to practice measuring. Now that we have the cream cheese mixture nice and smooth, we're going to add it to our muffin cups. Take a spoon and fill each muffin cup about halfway to 2/3 full. Here's the last layer. Using a spoon, put a dollop of fruit pie filling on the top of your mini cheesecake. Each of these layering steps is a great way for kids to help out with this recipe. And voila, delicious mini cheesecakes. Yum, bet you can't eat just one. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Kids in the Kitchen.